How does my health insurance affect a personal injury settlement? Health insurance can affect your settlement because it may pay your injury-related medical bills first, and then someone may claim a right to be paid back from your settlement. In North Carolina, the key questions are who paid the bills, which providers are still unpaid, and whether any valid lien or reimbursement right applies. Health insurance usually does not replace your injury claim against the at-fault person or claims under medical payments coverage, uninsured motorist coverage, or underinsured motorist coverage. But it can change how the settlement money is distributed. For example, unpaid medical providers may have liens. Medicare, Medicaid, or a state health plan may have repayment rights. Some private health plans may claim reimbursement too, but whether that claim is valid depends on the type of plan and the plan documents. Do not assume a bill is finished just because health insurance paid part of it. There may be a balance, a billing issue, or a repayment claim. Before settlement funds are released, you should identify every payer, review explanations of benefits, check for unpaid bills, and confirm any lien or reimbursement claim. The settlement amount is not always the amount you take home. Medical bills, liens, reimbursement claims, attorney fees, and case costs may all affect the final disbursement.